The foldable drone with 1080p camera features an adjustable high-definition camera that captures stunning aerial photos and videos, making it ideal for both scenic photography and practical uses like roof inspections. Equipped with two enhanced batteries, this drone offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, ensuring longer and worry-free flying experiences. With multiple control modes including remote, app, and voice commands, users can enjoy exciting features like 360-degree flips and gravity control, offering a dynamic flying experience. This drone includes smart functions such as altitude hold and optical flow, providing precise and stable hovering, making it a fantastic gift for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Designed with beginners in mind, the drone's one-key start and stable hover system make it easy to control and capture high-quality footage without requiring FAA registration. Safety features like propeller guards and spare fan blades ensure a reliable flight, and the manufacturer's support guarantees assistance with any questions or issues within 12 hours.